Greetings, everyone. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. A for loop in Python is a control structure that allows you to repeat a block of code multiple times. It is often used when you know beforehand how many times you want the code to repeat, or when you are working with collections of data, like lists, tuples, strings, or dictionaries. Define a list of student names. Define a list of corresponding student ages. We are going to loop through the students list and the ages list at the same time. To do this, we can use the zip function, which combines two lists into pairs. In each iteration of the loop, we get one pair, a student and their corresponding age. Inside the loop, we have two variables, student and age. Student holds the current student's name from the student's list. Age holds the corresponding student's age from the ages list. Print out the student's name and their age. After this loop completes, it will have printed out each student's name along with their age. Now run our code. Okay, let's make a deal. If you like this video and subscribe, I promise I'll keep bringing you more awesome coding content. No bugs, no errors. Well, okay, maybe a few bugs, but I'll help you debug them. Seriously though, hitting that like and subscribe helps me out a lot and ensures you don't miss out on any future videos. Deal?